Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working with R-controlled vowels. R-controlled vowels is when there is a vowel followed by the letter R, and the R changes the vowel sound. AR words say R. OR says or. ER, IR, and UR all say Today we are going to color the R words, AR words. Our first word is far, far. And instead of coloring the whole word, I want you just to color the AR controlled vowel. Our next word is start. Art. R. Then we have yarn. Y-R-N. Yarn. See R right in the middle. Our next word is snore. S-N-O-R. Snore. I hear or, the R-controlled vowel O-R. Our next word is stir. S-T-R. In the word stir, I hear That's I-R talking. Our next word is charm. Ch-R-M. R, just like a pirate. A-R. Harm is our next word. H-R-M. Harm. R. Then we have jar. J-R. Jar. Our next word is slur. S-O-R. Slur. I see the U-R controlled vowel saying Our next word is tar. T-R. We hear R right at the end. Then we have bar. B-R. Our last word is hurt. H-R-T. Hurt. R-controlled vowel, U-R. Now we will do spin, read, and write. Our first word is far. F-R. Then we have jar. J-R. B-R. Y-R-N. Yarn. Charm. Ch-R-M. Charm. T-R. Tar. H-arm. Harm. And start. St-art. Start. At the bottom we have our word bank. Tar. Start. Bar. Harm. And yarn. Flip your paper over when you're done. Way to go. Okay, my friends, we will do spin it and spell it. You are going to need 5 different colors. Please pause the video and take out 5 crayons. Each crayon is going to represent a different R-controlled vowel. For AR, that says R, I'm going to use yellow. My first word is arm. 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 I'm going to use green for IR. IR says Our next word is chirp. Ch chirp. I'm going to use blue for you are. You are says And I'm going to use red for OR. OR says or. Our next word is thorn. Thorn. And I don't have a fifth color, so I'm going to just underline ER that also says but you can use your fifth crayon color. That word is after. After. Our next word is term. Term. And I can see it's an ER, so I'm going to underline it because I don't have a fifth color on my iPad. The next word is storm. Storm. OR says or, and I'm going to use red for or. The next word is third. Third. Green for IR. Then we have turn. Turn. And our last word is sharp. Sharp. All right, my friends, I know we're used to writing in pencil, but today when you spin it and spell it, you're going to write your word in crayon with the matching R-controlled vowel. So for example, if I spin my paperclip and it lands on number 10, I'm going to use yellow crayon to write sharp. Sharp, because I chose yellow for my ARR controlled vowel. If I spin my paperclip again and I land on number 8, I'm going to use blue for turn. Turn. So today we're going to be doing it a little bit different, using those 5 different color crayons to match the R-controlled vowel, and there are 5 different R-controlled vowels. So do your best, take your time. When you're done, turn it into the top basket and move into Lexia. Way to go.